Hello everyone and welcome to the new part of the tutorial for Crochet Blanket Lotus designed by Veronica Liachovic. This time we will be making rounds 79 and 80. Let's start our work. Round 79, color A. We start this round with standing front post double crochet around any last back post single crochet of the side. This is the stitch we need. Back post single crochet, the last one of the side, and we're making front post double crochet around it. One more front post double crochet around the same stitch. And then we are starting our big repetition. Front post half double crochet around first puff stitch. In chain one space, single crochet, half double crochet. Front post double crochet around next puff stitch. Two double crochet in chain one space. Front post treble crochet around corner cluster of 3 treble crochet of round 77. I have this cluster in green, so around it we are making front post treble crochet. Two double crochet in the same chain one space of round 78. This is chain one. 1 and 2. Front post double crochet around next puff stitch. In next chain one space, half double crochet and single crochet in the same chain one. Front post half double crochet around next puff stitch. Two front post double crochet around next stitch, which is back post single crochet. The first one, the second one, and then we are repeating 26 times the following combination. Front post half double crochet around next puff stitch, the first one out of 3. Front post half double crochet around it. Single crochet in chain one space. Front post single crochet around next puff stitch, the second one, and single crochet in chain one space. Front post half double crochet around next puff stitch, the third one. So as you can see, we are making front post single crochet around second puff stitch, around second one, and around first and the third one we are making front post half double crochet, and in chain one spaces between puff stitches single crochet, and around back post single crochet of previous round, 2 front post double crochet, 1 and 2. Our first small repeat is done. Let's make one more, and then I will meet you at the end of the last repetition of the side. So front post half double crochet around first puff stitch, single crochet in chain 1, front post single crochet around second puff stitch, single crochet in chain 1, front post half double crochet around third puff stitch, and 2 front post double crochet around back post single crochet of previous round. Okay, we made it twice, 24 times to go. Meet you at the 26th repetition. And this is the point we need. 26 repeats are ready, and we made 2 front post double crochet around back post single crochet of previous round, and now again we are working the corner. Front post half double crochet around first puff stitch, in chain 1 space single crochet, half double crochet, front post double crochet around second puff stitch, 2 double crochet in chain 1 space, front post treble crochet around corner cluster of 3 treble crochet of round 77, this one. So front post treble crochet around it, 2 double crochet in the same chain 1 space of round 78, 1, 2. And now front post half double crochet around next puff stitch, oh sorry, front post double crochet around first puff stitch after we worked the corner group, in chain 1 space half double crochet, single crochet, and front post half double crochet around the second puff stitch, and 2 front post double crochet around back post single crochet, the first of this side. The second corner is ready. And then once again 26 repeats on the side. Around first puff stitch we are making front post half double crochet, single crochet in chain 1, front post single crochet around second puff stitch, single crochet in chain 1, front post half double crochet around third puff stitch of the group, and 2 front post double crochet, around back post single crochet, the first one and the second one. I'm pretty sure now you will be able to reach the end of the round all by yourself and meet you there. And finally we reached the end of the round. Slip stitch in standing front post double crochet of the round. Do not fasten off. Next round we'll make of the same color, color A. Round 80. This is an easy round because all stitches we'll be making are half double crochet. Half double crochet in every stitch of the round. The exception is for the corner front post double crochet, where we'll be making 3 half double crochets. Let's start the work. We will make the corner, some stitches on the side, and then you can continue all by yourself. So chain 2, that doesn't count as a stitch, half double crochet in the same stitch. In next 7 stitches, half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and we reached the corner cluster, which is front post treble crochet. In this stitch we are making 3 half double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and then we start the side. Half double crochet in every stitch of the side. I will make a couple of stitches with you. Okay, and then you will be making half double crochet in every stitch of the side till you reach once again the corner front post treble crochet. In that stitch 3 half double crochet, and once again on the next side half double crochet in every stitch of the side. I will meet you at the end of the round. And we reached the end of the round. Slip stitch in first half double crochet. This is also the end of this part of the tutorial. Next time we will be making rounds 81 and 82, and it will be the last part of the tutorial because this blanket consists of 82 rounds. See you in next video.